Welcome back to my channel multiplying by 10. Now recall the table of 10. 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. 2 tens are 20. 3 tens are 30. 4 tens are 40. 5 tens are 50. 6 tens are 60. 7 tens are 70. 8 tens are 80. 9 tens are 90. 10 tens are 100. Now observe the pattern in multiplication. When we multiply a number by 10, a 0 is added in the ones place. For example, we multiply this number 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. When we multiply a number by 10, a 0 is added in the ones place. Each of the remaining digit is pushed to the higher place. This is true for any number. Similarly, you can see 25 when multiplied by 10. It means a 0 is added to the ones place and you can write the remaining number as 25, 250. Each of the remaining digit is pushed to the higher place. That means here 5 ones becomes 5 tens, 2 tens becomes 200. So their place values are changed. Second one is 647 multiplied by 10. Again here 0 is added to the ones place and each of the remaining digits, these are ones place, tens place, 100 place, is pushed to the higher place. That means 7 becomes 7 tens here, 4 becomes 400 and 6 becomes 6000. So it becomes 6470. Similarly 350 when multiplied by 10, 0 is added to the ones place and each of the remaining digits is pushed to the higher place. 350, 3500. Okay. Now let's do multiplying by tens other than 10. Multiply by tens other than 10. To multiply other than 10, that is to multiply by 20, 30, 40 and so on. We first multiply by the number without the 0. Okay. Or in the product obtained, we add a 0 in the ones place. For example, you have to multiply 14 by 20. So first of all, put out the 0. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 28. That means 14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. 28. Now in the product obtained, we add a 0 in the ones place. So 14 multiplied by 20 is equal to 280. Similarly, 30 multiplied by 6, or you can write it like this: 6 multiplied by 30. Your answer is 6 3s are 18. Write this 0 in the ones place. 22 multiplied by 40. First multiply the 4 with 22. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, and write the remaining 0 in the ones place. So the answer becomes 880. Next number is 240 multiplied by 40. You can solve it here. 240. First multiply it with 4 without 0. That means 4 zeros are 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, the result will be 0. 4 4s are 16. 1 carried over here. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 gives us 9. 960. Now write this remaining 0 in the ones place. So it becomes 9600. Now let's do the multiply by hundreds. Hundreds. To multiply by 100, 200, 300 and so on. See, first multiply by the number without the 0. Okay. In the product that obtained, we add 0 in both the ones and tens place. In multiply by tens other than tens, you add the 0 in the ones place. But in multiplying by hundreds, just add the 0 in both the ones and the tens place. For example, this is a number here. 14 multiplied by 200. So first of all, multiply by the number without the 0. That means 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 28. Now 14 multiply by 2 is equal to 28. So now take both the zeros, that it means 200. Answer will be 2800. Add 0 in both the ones and the tens places. So it becomes 2800. Similarly, 38 when multiplied by 100, first multiply 38 by 1, so the answer will be 38, and add 0 in both the tens and ones place. So it becomes 3800. Next is 9 multiplied by 300. First multiply 3 with 9, which is 3 9s are 27. Now add 0 in both the tens and the ones place, it becomes 2700. 12 multiplied by 400. First multiply 12 by 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. Now I add 0 in the tens and ones place. So it becomes 4800. Similarly, write the products of each of the following 5 when multiplied by 10. The answer is 50. 12 multiplied by 10. Answer is 120. 215 multiplied by 10. Your answer will be 2150. 6 multiplied by 20. Answer is 2 6 are 12. Write the 0 in the ones place. 120. 7 multiplied by 30. 3 sevens are 21. Write this 0 in the unit ones place. This is 210. Next is 9 multiplied by 40. 4 nines are 36. Write this 0 in the ones place. This becomes 360. 13 multiplied by 20. So 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. Write this 0 in the ones place. This is 260. Okay, this is all for today. If you like my videos, then please subscribe it. Thank you.